Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll walk you through a series of effective solutions to fix Planet Coaster 2 crashes, freezing, or crash on startup issues on your PC. Follow each step, and you should be back in the game in no time. Step 1. Change launch options. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Planet Coaster 2, then Properties. In the Launch Options field, try the following commands one by one. Type -dx11 and try launching the game. If it doesn't work, type -d3d11. If still unsuccessful, type -dx12. Test the game after each attempt. Step 2. Restart your PC. Simply restart your computer and try launching the game again. A quick reboot can sometimes clear any temporary issues. Step 3. Run the game as administrator, right-click Planet Coaster 2 in your Steam library, then manage, then browse local files. In the game folder, right-click the game's .exe file, then Properties, then Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Launch the game directly from the installation folder. Step 4. Change compatibility settings while in the Properties. Then Compatibility tab. Try selecting Windows 8 under Compatibility mode. If that doesn't work, try Windows 7. Also, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, then Apply then. OK. Step 5. Verify game files in Steam. Right-click Planet Coaster 2, then Properties, then Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files and allow the process to finish. Step 6. Allow game through antivirus and firewall. If you have a third-party antivirus, allow Planet Coaster 2's .exe file through it. For Windows Security, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Ransomware Protection. Click Allow an app through controlled folder access, then add the Planet Coaster 2.exe file. Do the same in Windows Defender Firewall. Go to Control Panel, then System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then add the game's .exe file. Step 7. Update graphics driver. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, e.g., NVIDIA or AMD. Download and install the latest driver version for your graphics card. Perform a clean installation if possible, and restart your computer after the update. Step 8. Set graphics to high performance. In Windows Search, type graphics settings and open it. Click Browse and navigate to the game's .exe file. Select the added game, click Options, and choose High Performance. Step 9. Update Windows. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update. Check for any available updates and install them. Restart your computer after the updates. Step 10. Install Visual C++ redistributables. Go to the Microsoft Visual C++ downloads page. Download both x86 and x64 versions, install them, and restart your PC. Step 11. Disable overlays and unnecessary programs. Disable Steam overlay. Right-click the game in Steam, then Properties, then uncheck. Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. If using Discord or GeForce Experience, go to their settings and disable any in-game overlay options. Close any background apps like MSI Afterburner or other overlays. Step 12. Increase virtual memory in Windows Search. Type Advanced System Settings and open it. Under Performance, click Settings, then Advanced, then Virtual Memory, then Change. Uncheck Automatically manage paging file size and select Custom Size. Enter initial size as 1.5 times your RAM in megabytes, e.g., 16 gigabytes. RAM equals 24,576 megabytes. Set maximum size to 3 times your RAM in megabytes, e.g., 16 gigabytes, RAM equals 49,152 megabytes. Click Set, then OK, then Apply, then restart your PC. Step 13. Update BIOS, Advanced. Visit your computer manufacturer's website, find your model, and follow the instructions to download and install the latest BIOS update. Important. Follow BIOS update instructions carefully to avoid system issues. Step 14. Adjust in-game settings, if accessible. Set graphics to medium or low, disable VSync, or change to windowed mode if possible. Final step. Reinstall the game. If none of the above works, reinstall Planet Coaster 2 on your C drive, or another drive if already installed on C, and check. Follow each step, and one should get Planet Coaster 2 running smoothly. Please like and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides.